welcome back to my channel. I feel good today, you guys. So if I'm smiling for no reason, I'm just happy, okay? I know y'all gonna probably ask about this robe because as soon as you, I feel like the camera just picks up all the colors and it just looks so good. And as soon as you start looking, you probably look directly at this robe, right? Yeah, okay. So I got it from Amazon. I think it was like less than $20, but I will put it below. So the robe just feels so good, y'all. It's so cute. It's just the cutest little robe. And like I said, I got it from Amazon. It's Amazon Prime. So if you want it, it'll be below. But in this video, I'm going to be doing my new wash and go routine for bangs. I've been kind of testing around some stuff. So we just gonna see what this does. I was gonna do another trial before I showed you guys. But this time I was like, you know what? I've done like 4 trials. So I'm like, I'm gonna show you guys how this turns out. And then I think the next one after this one will be the one that takes the cake. I don't know. This one might be good though. I'm not going to say it won't be good. I kind of want to do the shingling method. And the reason I want to do the shingling method is because, first of all, the hair show is this weekend. I'm super excited to see you guys. So if you see me this weekend, this was the wash and go that you saw. So you got to see it live and now you get to see me do it. Y'all know I just put this bag on my hair so that all the moisture stays in. This is my hair. I've sectioned it off into 5 sections. I have 2 in the back, 2 in the front, and then I have my bang in one as well. So I wanted them all to be separated, but I don't think I separated enough of my bangs. So I may have to, you know, finesse that when I get up there. But y'all know I like to start from the back. And I've already shampooed, deep conditioned, and conditioned. And I use the Kinky Curly Knot today. Leave-in. This is what my hair is looking like with just the leave-in in. Looks good, feels good. I have my water bottle here just in case I need some extra water, which I'm sure I will need some. This comes from Sally's. I really like my last wash and go that you guys saw in my other video, but I don't have a lot of the Texture ID styling cream left. So I think I want to use the rest of this in the front of my head because I know it's going to come out good. And I also know this comes out good as well. So I'm just going to use this in the back. And this is the Deva Curl Super Stretch Cream. So I'm going to start off with this. But my gel is going to be Main Choice Pearly Braidout Glaze by the Main Choice. You guys already know. I did a review on the whole line and I absolutely love this. And every time I do a wash and go with this, it gives me just those nice big results. And like I said, I have the hair show tomorrow, so I don't want my hair to be super crunchy. So using a harder gel wouldn't be ideal for me, especially because I'm shingling, so it's no need to. So I'm just going to go in with this glaze because it lasts a long time. I'm also going to section off this. Okay, now that I got my section back here, I'm going to go in with the Deva Curl Stretch Cream. And I actually have a wash and go killer combo with this cream and the Moringa gel, so I already know, like I said, I know they pair well, so that is why I'm using it. Actually, I'm just going to put the cream all over this whole section. And I'm going to make sure I really work this in to my hair and spray more water. And I do have warm water in this bottle as well. So that's looking really good already. Now I'm going to section off and I'm going to start adding my glaze. You guys know how this is. I'm gonna go ahead and play some music because I'm literally just gonna be repeating everything, but I will come back when I start on the front. So I added the gel like this, or the glaze. So I'm just shingling and shingling and shingling, and then like I said, I'll come back when I get to my bang area for you guys. Alright, you guys, so I've made it to the bang area. I've done everything else. So now we're on the bang. I've already added the Texture ID cream. So now I'm just going to go in with the Glaze. And I'm going to be a little heavy with it because I'm going to do some finger coils. So make sure you put a lot. Really work that in. I'm not going to do full finger coils this time like I did. I'm just going to pretty much do it the same way it was so that all the hair is in sync this time, because last time I did like a full finger coil and they were cute, but it ain't really necessary. Basically do some shingling with like extra twirls, whatever you want to call it. But I broke it down into 2 rows for my bang, so I'm gonna do this row and then I got this row, so it gives it some dimension. All right, you guys, so my hair is completely shingled. Okay. And I do like I would say scrunch, but y'all know it creates a lot of frizz. So just like bounce your hair up where the bangs are, if you have bangs, so that it can start, you know, shrinking so you can see, you know what I'm saying? Because don't nobody like for hair to be in the eye like this. Okay, so you guys already know I'm about to go sit under the dryer, and then I'm going to come back and show you guys how it looks. Stay tuned. Sorry guys, I know I just said I was about to leave, but I did want to come back on and let you guys know that I am going to be spraying this WED Advanced Climate Control Restore and Revive, and it has biphase. It's like it eliminates frizz, and it has like this technology or whatever in it. So I actually have used it, and then I didn't use it, and then I used it again. I really think it does eliminate a lot of the frizz that I have in this area. So I am going to go in and just spray my hair with this, because the top of my hair can get very, very frizzy. All right, so now I'm going to sit on the dryer. Okay, you guys, so I am back. I sat under the dryer for about 30 minutes or so, and so this part of my hair is dry, but everything under here is kind of damp. So what I'm gonna do, I have my Dyson dryer. You guys know I love this, but it is pricey. I got mine off eBay for $200, but it's originally $400. But yeah, so I'm gonna put it on low heat, low speed, or whatever you call that, and I'm just gonna diffuse from the bottom. So I did want to show you guys. Now, I don't really like diffusing, but going underneath like this, you kind of have to do it because this be wet. So it is what it is, but I'm gonna go ahead and do this, and then once that's dry, I'm gonna come back and show you guys what it looks like. So my hair is completely dry, but what I like to do, I don't like to just go in right now and fluff and stuff. It's still warm. My hair still has like humidity and heat and all that stuff just rolling through it right now. So this is not the best time to start like picking it out or anything. So I'm just gonna do some chores around the house and then possibly get ready to go out tonight. So I'll show you guys the final look later. All right, y'all, I forgot to come back and show you guys the final results, but this is it. This is actually day like 3, I want to say. Day 3 or 4. I did go to the hair show yesterday. It's day 3. So I went to the hair show yesterday, and if you guys saw me, this is the same Wash and Go girl, and now I'm about to go. It's Sunday, so I'm about to go to my As I Am booth today at 2. So I'm pretty much running behind, but I did want to show you guys my final results, y'all. I'm absolutely loving my freaking hair. It just looks so freaking good, you guys. Like, hello, loving it. I would say this combo is where it's at, either with the Super Stretch Cream along with the Braidout Glaze, or the Texture ID along with the Braidout Glaze. So looks like they worked to me. It got some definition, hold, volume. Y'all, I'm in love with my hair. And I went out last night, sweated, like, y'all, it's feeling good. Okay, but I need to go. I ain't trying to be late for y'all, so I'm about to go get my Uber, get on up out of here. But I hope you guys really liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah.